Hello everyone, in this video, we will learn what are the different types of security goals. So there are three security goals. The first one is confidentiality, second one is integrity, and the third one is availability. Now we will learn all these goals, security goals in detail. So when the security goals term come into the picture, we can consider it as CIA Triads. So C stands for confidentiality, I for integrity, and A for availability. So these are the three security essential goals are available. And with the help of this security goal, we can maintain the secrecy and privacy of our information. So this is called as a security triads. The first one is confidentiality, second one is integrity, and third one is availability. The first one is confidentiality. So here we can maintain the privacy or secrecy of our information. So only authenticated user can have access to your information. Any unauthorized party cannot access your confidential information due to this confidentiality security goal. The third one is integrity. In case of integrity, if suppose there are two users, sender and receiver, sender can send the data to the receiver. Suppose sender is sending the message hello, and one attacker is there, they are trying to capturing the information which is sent from sender to the receiver, and he is trying to modify the message that is hi. If suppose sender is sending the hello message to the receiver, but attacker tried to capture that content and he is trying to modifying the information which is sent from sender to the receiver. So instead of hello, attacker can send hi message to the receiver. But due to integrity of that data, attacker cannot modify the sensitive information. So this hello will not be modified by anyone. That is called as integrity will be maintained by our CIA Triads. So our second feature is integrity. That is called as a security goal. Now the third one is availability. So in case of availability, whenever the authenticated user require the information which is available in the database, that should be available to the authenticated party. So those who have correct username and password, and the system can be authenticated to the correct user, the valid user. If the user is valid, then the data access will be provided to the particular party. So unauthorized party cannot access your confidential information. That is called as availability. And the data will be available to the authenticated user. So these are the three security goals will be available, like confidentiality, integrity, and the availability. So you can check with this diagram. This is the cyber security infosec CIA Triad. The first one is confidentiality. So in case of a confidentiality, you can ensure the information will be accessible to only authorized party who have access. So we can protect our information from unauthorized access. We are protecting our data on system during the transit and in process. In case of integrity, we are safeguarding the accuracy of the data, that is completeness of the information and the processing method. So whenever we are sending the hello message from the sender to the receiver, all the data bits will be transferred from sender to the receiver. Attacker will not allow any one of the single character during the transit. So it includes the deletion or alteration that will be occur during the transit, that will be completely avoided with the help of the concept of integrity. And the last one is, that is availability. So availability ensures that authorized user get access to the information that is associated with the asset whenever it is required, which includes acceptable level of performance, that is fault tolerance, prevention of data loss, destruction, then reliable backup, and the redundancy of the data. If suppose attacker try to capture the information which is stored on the server, then we should have the separate duplicate copy of that particular data, that is backup will be taken from the server, so that we can give the information, we can available your information to the correct user. So whenever these security goals will be asked, you can say that there are three security goals are available. First one is confidentiality, second one is integrity, and third one is availability.